Hey, it's John Nemo with LinkedIn Riches. I want to show you something really cool that has been added to the LinkedIn newsfeed. And I don't know if you're aware of this, so I want to show you how this works. What you can see now is they're streaming video. Notice this right here in my newsfeed. I'm not doing anything, but this video is automatically playing. Now, you've probably noticed this in your own newsfeed as you're scrolling through on a daily basis. Videos now are auto playing, right? This is huge. And the reason this is such a big deal is think about how you can now utilize video to really point people to your updates, to your links, those types of things. So in this example, I've got a video where I'm trying to get people to sign up for a webinar. And what I'm doing is having the video play right away. It auto plays in the LinkedIn newsfeed, and it's catching the eye of the viewer. That's going to stop them as they're scrolling. Something's popping up, something's moving, someone's talking. Your eyes are just trained to stop, right? That gets them to stop the scrolling. And as long as the video is compelling and is pointing them somewhere, then what likely is going to happen is they're going to stop long enough to read and look at your update and go, oh yeah, what is this? And you can see how I'm using this video, and I'll show you the software I used. But look at this, right? Click here to sign up. I've got the arrow right there. It's perfect, right? So I want you doing the same thing. So let's show you how easy this is to do. So first, we're just going to go into the home feed and click share and update like you always do. And I'm just going to paste in some text that I have. I'll use this exact same video example. So this is, I want people to sign up for a training, or it can be anything, right? But let's say you have a video done already. And so I'm just going to go over to YouTube and copy the video. And again, the way LinkedIn works is you can just paste in the YouTube link, the share link from a YouTube video, and it's going to populate automatically on LinkedIn. You can see now, if I hit share just right now as it is, it'll share that video. But instead, of course, I want people going to this link here to sign up for my webinar. So what I do, and this is a little bit of Jedi, LinkedIn work here, I'm going to paste in the additional URL, and I'm going to delete the YouTube link. Now, see what happened? Let me highlight this with my drawing tool. I snuck in an extra URL, this, sign up for my webinar URL, but the YouTube video is still here. See how it still says YouTube? So all you do is you paste in the YouTube video link first, okay? You go over to YouTube, you copy this, you paste that into your status box along with whatever text. Then you go to the landing page you want to send people to, copy that, paste that in, right? And that's right here. And just delete the YouTube link, but the YouTube video stays. So now watch what happens. When I hit share, it's going to post the video and the link that I want. See that? So this link will jump people over to my webinar page. Now, what you'll see when you go into the news feed, so I'll just do it under my updates. It'll just take a second to pop in. But I want to replicate what people are going to see when they go into their newsfeed. And here it is, right? You can see it automatically starts playing. See, my cursor's over here. The video is playing. Now, as I'm scrolling through, it'll stop, and then it'll play again when I come up. This is very similar to what Facebook does. If you use Facebook a lot, you scroll down, the video stops. You can see the little play button. Oh, I'm looking at stuff. I'm scrolling. Oh, what's this? There's a video moving. It's going to catch my eye. And now as I mouse over it, this is great because I have multiple ways to opt in. People right here can subscribe to my YouTube channel. They can share the video. They can, watch it later. They can go over and watch it on YouTube. All of these links inside the video are active. So think about that. If you know YouTube marketing at all, you can have ways to build your audience with YouTube. But what I'm most concerned about is this link right here. And again, that's going to take people over to the webinar sign up page. So this is a really powerful tool. You can see how this really stands out in the newsfeed. I've got other updates with links, whatever. But man, that pops. That's a huge video on the desktop. It's immediately catching their eye. Wait, what's this? Register for what? What's going on, right? So I want you to take advantage of that. I want you to get in there and utilize it. And one of my favorite tools for this, and I'll actually go over and show you, is called Video Maker FX. And I'll have a link to all this in my posts that I run with this video, but it's called Video Maker FX. And let me show you these animated videos. This is the page where you can get it, and it lets you make these animated videos. They're drag and drop simple, very easy. This is the sales page for it. I'll give you a link to it. But this is what I use for these animated videos, right? And you can see how simple they are. You just drag and drop them. So that's one way I use videos, right? Is I make the animated videos to point people to a webinar, a case study, a product. Or, of course, you can have videos of yourself talking on camera, right? And that's going to catch my attention, too, in the LinkedIn newsfeed of, whoa, what's going on here? Like, this guy's talking to me in my newsfeed. What's he saying? Maybe I want to hear the sound, click the video. But really understand how to utilize that together. And this is a great way to stand out in the LinkedIn newsfeed. So I hope this helps. I want you to get active. You can see how the video, again, is already playing. Be creative with this. Use it to promote content that you're sharing, events, webinars, products, anything like that. You can do the animated video like I have here. You can do someone on camera. You can do anything you can think of. I like to use animated videos with arrows pointing up to remind people, oh, click the link, take them to your sign up page, whatever it is. So again, that's just a quick update. Great new feature in the LinkedIn newsfeed. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk more with you soon.